Guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control your TCL TV in case you lost the remote, the batteries run out, right? And you can't find your remote. You'll be able to control it with this tip I'm going to teach you today. It's really simple and easy, guys. You will see below your TV, there will be a single button here that you will be able to use to make all these changes on your TV, change the channel, change the HDMI input, turn off your TV, turn on your TV, just one button that is below your TV that you are seeing on the screen, right? You will press the button here, folks, give it a click. And great, automatically your TV will turn on, right? And here it will show you a menu with option standby, which is to turn off the TV. Let me press it again, it will show up again, standby, change channel, volume, and also the HDMI inputs. In case you want to connect a TV box, you can switch the HDMI inputs here. And to select, folks, you click here and then you press the button a bit harder here and it goes into the function. Look, I'll try to increase the volume here. Look, it already increases the volume. One click switches the option and a stronger click performs the function of increasing or decreasing the volume and also changing the channel. If you want to turn it off, you press standby here and it turns off. I will turn it on again. It's already turned on again, folks, without any remote. So that's it, folks. On the final screen, I'll leave 2 recommended videos for you. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. See you next time and I'm out.